Hi, I'm San Antonio Police Chief William McManus. If you've ever been interested in learning more about the inner workings and everyday life of our police officers, we invite you to join the Citizens Police Academy program. The Citizen Police Academy is designed to build a bond of mutual trust and respect between the department and our citizens. This bond ultimately improves the quality of life for residential and business communities throughout our city. This program was introduced in 1994 with the goal of educating citizens about the structure and activities of their police department. As a participant, you will have an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at the various units within the SAPD and their functions. During this 12-week program, classroom presentations, lectures, and hands-on experiences will offer valuable insight into the operations of the department. Most importantly, as participants in this program, you become an important ally in the support of strong police and citizen relationships. From all of us who make up the San Antonio Police Department, thank you for your interest and support of your police force. The San Antonio Police Department is dedicated to improving the quality of life by creating a safe environment in partnership with the people we serve. We act with integrity to strengthen the public's trust while treating everyone with respect, compassion, and fairness.